Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be a short video. It's going to be a follow-up to my JLT 3.0 Black Oil Separator install that I did a few weeks ago. It is filmed entirely with my KYOCERA DuraForce Pro cell phone. JLT recommends after 1,000 miles you check this catch can to see what it actually caught. In case you're wondering what a catch can is, it is a device that will catch the oily blow-by that gets past the pistons, down into the crankcase, and is sent back up out the PZV valve and into the intake manifold to be reburnt, reused, or recycled. And that is pretty bad if you don't have a catch can to catch that oily blow-by. So let's go ahead and check the can to see what it caught. First I'll do a little video of my truck. It's a 2019 Chevy Silverado V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine with dynamic fuel management and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and check out this JLT 3.0 Black Oil Separator, also known as a catch can. It's really simple to check it. You just unscrew this 3-ounce catch can. I do have an extension that I'm going to put on when I reach 3,000 miles. Okay, so this is what the JLT catch can caught. That's probably less than 1/4 of an ounce. I have over 13,000 miles on the truck right now. So that would mean that 12 times this amount had made its way past the positive crankcase valve and was sent back into the intake manifold to be reused, reburnt, recycled. And like I said earlier, these are not port injected. It is a direct injected engine, so there are no injectors washing off the backside of the valves. So that is not good for the engine at all. But with this JLT 3.0, it should catch quite a bit of that oily blow-by, and it will make this engine last a lot longer. So that's it. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson, and this one was the follow-up video to the JLT 3.0 catch can install. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I might put some bloopers at the end. See ya. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be a really short video, and it is filmed entirely with my DuraForce Pro. And what happens if you don't have a black oil separator? This oily blow-by gets it gets baked back on the back side of the valves. Shit. And in case you're wondering what a black oil separator is, it is a device that you remove the PVC hose, because there are no port injectors anymore. They are direct injected engines. There is no injectors on the back of those valves to keep them clean. So that oily blowboy, oh damn. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson, and this one was the follow-up video to the JLT 3.0 catch can install. Thanks for watching.